Hello everyone, this is Akash and this is my wife Mahi. So now we are going to prepare a world famous Maggi which is famous all around the world, even in Kashmir also, in Ladakh. Because when we travel to Kashmir, we just prepared this Maggi and my friends was very fond of this Maggi when I was living with them. So now we are just going to start it. Let's start. So we are having few things like this is onion, this is chili and one tomato. Now what we are going to do is, first of all we have to cut this onion.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, देखिए मेरे कान्हा जी। और हम बना रहे हैं मैगी।
So this is the toughest job to cut these onions. Now we have chopped this onion, chili and tomato. First of all what we have to do is we have to put little amount of this ghee into our kadai. Yeah. Now my way of doing is, first of all what I do is
जीरा जीरा नहीं डाल रहे?
I put this garam masala into this ghee and along with this I put salt, now I will just put chili into this, red chili. Now I will just drop this onion, chopped onion into this and will fry it now. Let me fry it. So now I'm just frying it.
कलर वाली में चले ना, कलर वाली।
No, I will put it after some time. Now I will put this chili, chopped chili. Let the color of these onion be brown, brownish, a little brownish. This tomatoes into this kadai, and I will fry it. Along with this, what I have done is I have just put this vessel of water for boiling.
वीडियो साफ नहीं है।
Parallelly these things are happening. The water is boiling and this is just getting fried. Now what I'm doing is, water has been boiled in another vessel. Now I'm going to put this boiled water into the kadai.
कितना पानी दिया?
The amount of water is 2 glass because I'm going to prepare 3 pieces of Maggi. So I've just taken 2 glasses of water. This is my way of doing it. I'm just putting this Maggi masala in the boiled water. Now 3 pieces of this Maggi we will prepare and 3 masala packets we will put into the boiled water first. The reason for dropping this masala into the kadai is we will get a perfect taste when this Maggi will get prepared. Now I'm just putting this masala. second masala packet. And now this one is the third and last.
आराम से
So now it has been boiled enough, and I will put this Maggi into the kadhai. In separate pieces. So now let it get prepared. We will wait for 2-3 minutes
इसको
so that all the water gets soaked into the Maggi,
मीडियम या फिर
and we
high?
will just have the light flame. You can see light flame will be there, and we will now put one plate over this kadhai so that this
How many
water
times?
doesn't get soaked easily.
कितना समय के लिए?
We will put it for 2 minutes. Now these Maggi 2 minutes get started. Before that we were just doing the practice of making it tastier. Now the Maggi 2 minutes Maggi time has been started, and I am just putting this plate over this kadhai and let it get prepared.
सीधी करके
The reason of putting it is that boiled water will not get evaporated soon, so it will give more flavor to the Maggi, right? So let's wait.
थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स.